Well, here's what we're looking at, and it ain't good. There goes some trees right now. I don't know if you see the trees real good right here, all this ice. There's definitely some tree limbs snapping, and there's definitely lines covered with a lot of ice. So hopefully they can take it, but it's not a good day in the neighborhood. The neighbors' trees are down big time. Sounds like they're getting ready to go some more. Hopefully we get a good warm up, but a slow warm up. Hear all the trees. I don't know if you hear them. They're going all over the place. Just a crap day for in Jefferson County and many other counties in New York State. And then it's trying to lighten it or something too. I don't know what that is. Probably the temperature change because warm front's coming in. Yeah, as you can see, it's just not nice. Here we go. Well, that was a little one. Thank God. I'm sure whole trees are going to come down. Vehicle going. I already went out once. It was not pleasant driving at all. Take the wife to work. Of course, corporates, they can't close, so if you have to die, you have to get there, so. And I won't mention where, so, but, let's just say it's one of the big ones. Well, that's about as much reporting as I could do here, because I don't see anything like going majorly wrong right here right now, but thank God. But before the end of the day is I don't think we'll have power, but that's going to suck, but well, I'll keep a positive thought that we might have it. There you go. That sounded nice. Hopefully it wasn't part of the house. Or somebody else's house. There's like shotgun sounds. That could be transformers going. More trees are going to take the blunt of this this deal. They're going to be in bad shape. Yeah. There goes another tree. The limb's off in it anyways. But yeah, look at this ice. This is on the house and that's on these trees. Hanging off these trees, and it's poundage. Tons of ice. And I guess you can officially call this Ice Storm 2013 because here it is. Sometimes wish I had a better mic. That's what I got to get. You could really hear that. The limbs just crashing out there. And it's pouring down rain too. That helps a lot. That helps the whole situation a lot, I'm sure. It's adding more ice to it. Because it's right on the freezing mark. It's not. If it gets above it, then that'll help a lot. But it didn't do. It got above freezing yesterday, and it didn't do a lot. I guess it just saved us from getting this. But that's about it. Maybe it'll save it from getting worse. Hopefully. Well, that should be enough to understand what's going on.